Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable the print screen shortcut for the snipping tool on your Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down and select keyboard, and you just need to scroll down under the on-screen keyboard access keys. You can able to see the option use the print screen key to open screen capture. You just need to turn it on. After turning on, you just need to press in keyboard Fn key and print screen key at the same time. Long press it, both of it, and that will open up screen capture. You can easily capture the screen, and that's all you have to do it guys. This will saved in your pictures folder, pictures inside the screenshot that has been saved. We just now recently take out this, and that's how you get this snipping tool access using the print screen key. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.